Sam, say hi. Hi, and welcome to another episode of Liam and Kyle's Unboxing. I'm Daddy D, and I got a very cool toy for you today. It's from Fisher-Price, and it's called Dance and Move Beatbowwow. It's for children 9 to 36 months. It's got 25 songs, tunes, and phrases. Very colorful ears with numbers. The head moves, and it's got a very friendly face. Look at the smile. It lights up, and it plays music. Are you guys ready? I know I'm ready. I'm very excited to open this box. Alright, let's open this box now. Ooh, let's slide it out. Oh, look, see? It has some instructions in here. So, check that out. Instructions and here. At the bottom, here we have unlocking mechanisms here. So you twist, take that out. That. There's 3 of them. Let's put this away. And there we go. Got our little toy. Dance, move, beat, bow wow. Ready? Test it out. Good. I had a very fun time opening this toy. Now let's surprise Liam and Kyle. Let's get them in here. Let's see what they think. Hi everyone, this is Liam and Kyle.
Bobby.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Liam, can you say hi? Hi. Here's the toy. Let's reveal it to them. Ta-da! That's ready? Are you ready to dance? Dance, dance.
Yeah, I'm playing. Shake it out. Move your paws.
You guys ready to dance, dance?
Shake it out. Move your paws.
Shake, shake, dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Well, there you have it. Dance and move, beat, bow wow. If you'd like to see more of Liam and Kyle's unboxing, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye. Shake your hands. Yay, yay.
Clap your paws.
Oh, wow, wow. Oh. Say bye.
Bye.